going to let Governor Quinn say a few words.
All right, everybody, it's really a special day. 14 years we've had this great race. It's really special. Anyone who knew Ping Tom or in his park, a park that belongs to everyone, it's really, I think, important that we honor the Chinatown Chamber of Commerce, all the people who live in Chinatown, all the people who come to visit Chinatown. This is a very special place in Illinois. The fact that the race is devoted to helping literacy, that means we want to help people read, and read. We believe that readers are leaders in Illinois, and everybody's in when it comes to reading. So I want to salute all 30 teams coming here, competing, having fun. It's a family event. It's really, I think, a great pageant. There's a lot of opportunity for people to get good exercise here and at the same time help a great cause. We all have to band together in Illinois to help our neighbor. We're a family in Illinois. We're a big family. 13 million people live in our state. We're one of the biggest states in the union, but we understand we're not a crowd of 13 million people, everybody going in their own separate direction. We believe in coming together and working as a community of shared values. That's what Chinatown is all about. That's what this race is all about. And let's have a lot of fun today. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you guys for coming to the 2014 Dragon Boat Race for Literacy. Again, this event would not be possible without our sponsors. Please give a round of applause for Miss Cheryl Pearson McNeil from Nielsen.
Thank you, Raymond. Thank you. I'm Tony Shu. I'm the chairman of the chamber. Again, I don't want to repeat thanking everyone for coming, but the importance today is phenomenal. We have some great teams, friendly competition among many very well-known teams here, and especially about the literacy program. As you know, the proceeds go to our community in education and reading. And next speaker I want to introduce really doesn't take much introduction, but he is the alderman of this ward, and under his leadership we have this beautiful park. We have a field house that is just world-class, and the library a block away from here is under construction. And I give to you Alderman Solis of 25th Ward.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you very much. I want to salute my good friend for over 30 years, Governor Quinn. He's been a fantastic political leader in this state, and I want to commend him for all the work that he's done. He's probably the most principled individual I know, and I think that's an important point in this day and age where government, there's a very little trust. A man like Governor Quinn is somebody that you can depend on. Thank you, Governor, for being here. Now let me also say that I had the opportunity and the honor to race in this event in the last 14 years. I think we did it twice, and I'm proud to say we never came in last. We came in second to last and third to last, but never last. Now let me also say that this is probably the premier event in Chinatown, especially in the summertime, and the people that deserve the credit are the leadership of the Chinatown Chamber of Commerce. So please, Chinatown Chamber Board, take a bow on this. And then lastly, you know, what the governor said about reading is so important. You know, we live in an age where reading is a must, where education is a must. And this theme is so special. Thank you again, Chamber of Commerce, for using this opportunity to focus on that. And finally, let me just say what the governor said. Let's have some fun. Enjoy this great city of ours, this great summer. Good luck to all the teams.
Consul General of the United States, Mr. Zhao.
All states are at 9:45.
I commend the Chinatown Chamber of Commerce for hosting this wonderful annual event. This year we have more participating teams and more beautiful weather. I congratulate the Chamber on that, and I wish today's race a big success. Thank you.
Rifle Team Ranger with a time of 14 seconds.
Lydia, that's it.